Hey everyone, it's Livia. So in this video, I'm going to show you really quickly how to create a playlist in YouTube where you can use this for an online course or just anything where you want a playlist of specific videos, but where you can actually make one that's hidden. And so you can use it for a course where you can send out one link for the playlist rather than individual links for each video. If that's something that you want, you can even add in links to your PDFs and everything you need. So up here at the corner, when you log into YouTube, you got all the ad stuff that they throw at you, trying to get you to watch it. Click up here in the little icon of you, and you'll click on your channel. Okay, so there we are. This is my channel. Still has lots of work to go. I'm barely learning YouTube, so here we go. There's all the different videos, playlists. That's actually not even close to all of them because they're hidden. But here we go. So hit Customize Channel right here. And then you're going to see Home. And then here's your videos. So this will show you all of the different videos, and you can click load more if you have more, and just keep going to see all of your videos that you've got on YouTube. So you click playlist right here. Once you're in playlist, you can say create a new playlist right here. And I'm just going to name this one Tech Tips because this will be video 1 on this playlist because I keep helping people, so I'll just make videos and make it easier. So hit create right there. Oh, I needed to tell you that. Okay, so when you're on there, back for a minute. When you create the new playlist right here, it says public, so this will let anybody see it. If you put it as unlisted, this will be only people who can see it who have the link. And then there's private, which means you're the only one who can see this. So if you're doing a course where it's hidden and it's not for public, but it's just for the people who joined, then you'll put it as unlisted, okay? So I'll go back to that page of the one I just created. So right now there's no videos in it, okay? So right here, I can just click edit right there. And then it'll say, okay, here's my playlist, and what do you want in there? So I can click right here, and I can add videos to it. So you can click different videos that are not yours. If you have like videos you need to add into it, or like a inspirational video that you learned that you want to be part of this course, you can add all those things in there. You can add URLs, or you can add your videos here. So I have all these, like my Consecrated Life course, all those are in here. So say I was going to do it for that one, I could add all those into there, and you can just click on whichever ones you want. I don't think any of these are tech videos, so I'm not going to add those for now. But for right now, so let's say I was going to add, well, these are kind of tech videos, not really. So I make these like, what are they? Intro, outro, animated things, right? That people can use. So I have a couple examples of those. These are not my favorite promo ones, but they're in here, so I'll use them and show you. So I can click on those, and they're highlighted in blue, and then I click add videos, and then they will just show up right here. So if I was to click on this video, it's going to say, it's going to show you, ding, that's going to go loud. So it shows you this like cute little thing that I did for a kids entrepreneur thing, right? And so they have this cute little animation that they can use at the end of their video, whatever they're in the process of doing, right? So super cute. Anyway, so then all of your videos will show up right here. And so you have the access to each of those videos, and you can take them and you can drag, I don't think you can drag them this. I'll show you where. You can do that. Okay, go back to your video page right here. So if you want to take these on this little 3 dots here, you can take them and you can rearrange them into whatever order that you need them in order to use them. So you could label this class 1 or video 1, session 1, whatever you want. So then when you're in the video, say we'll go back here to the video section. In the video, there's like no comments down here, right? There's nothing in my information for this video. So if I go back to more, add, edit, or notes right there. Nope, not that one. Not that one. You're going to do it on your video page. So when you're in your video page, so let's say this is my Consecrated Life video about trusting your path, okay? So I'm on here, and that was another cool animation thing that I have, okay? So down under here, I don't have the category information on that one either. Oh, maybe I haven't added it on that one either. I'm going to find one that I've actually added information to. I believe I did it on this one. Let's see. Or not. Some of these I know I have stuff on them. This one should have one. This is my inspiration journal walkthrough. There you go. So see down here in my information down here where it says show more, this has the different information. It has a link to my Facebook page. It has an Amazon link to purchase the journal and all those different things that are all on here, which is super cool. So you could say, okay, here's my course and here's lesson 1. Here's where I can go to, you know, here's your PDF, print out this worksheet, anything like that. So if I need to change it, I can click right here. That's not it. Edit video. There you go. Right there. So I click edit video. When you first upload your video, it's going to give you the option to do this. It says normally when I do it, it'll pull up here and it says here's all your information. So you give it the title, you give it your description. You can create your custom thumbnails, which I probably should change that one. Except that's a weird face. Anyways, so you've got all the different things that you can add into there, and see it's unlisted right here. And so right there you could add, I could say I'm going to add this to my tech tip, so that's where you want it, or whatever playlist that you want. And you can go ahead and add that to the playlist right when you upload your video, add all that content in, and it's all done one shot. Super easy, super nice to do. And then go back up here and you click your channel right there. And it takes you right back to your home page where you can actually customize all of this too. So if you click here on your customized channel, then it will let you change like your featured content and stuff like that if you're streaming or anything like that. So right here I have on new visitors, I say if there's somebody new to my channel, I want them to see my welcome video first. So this will pop up. And if there's somebody else who comes back, you can add different things on there. Haven't got that far yet, but it's super cool. And I love that you can do that. This is kind of fun too. So I have like this making best choices playlist. So you can add that playlist to the front of your channel. So you see here. So I set these. So this is what shows up for them. They show this is whatever you uploaded. This is this. These are the popular videos. This is what I was learning. Different things you can set which ones show up on your channel for the people who are looking, which is super cool. So you can see that when it pulls up into the playlist, it has the playlist and it has all the videos there. And so up here, you're going to see playlist, and this is the code or whatever. So this is the link that you would share with your people. So if I copy that link and I open a new one and then I paste it right there, it will take me directly to that playlist where they will then have access to the entire course without you sending them 4 or 5 or 10 different videos, one link at a time. So super cool. Hope that was helpful. Leave a comment, share, whatever below if it worked out. Thanks. Bye.